The Ally tool in Canvas will help you make your course content accessible so all students can access, perceive, and engage with your course materials. In this video, I'll demonstrate one strategy for using Ally to quickly and efficiently improve the overall accessibility of your course content. To begin, you can locate a link to your accessibility report in the course navigation menu for each of your Canvas courses. Your students will not be able to access this link. When you click on the accessibility report, a window opens displaying an overview dashboard with your course accessibility score at the top. This score reflects the percentage of your total course content that is fully accessible, which means it meets federal and state accessibility requirements. In this example, the accessibility score is 64%. Don't be concerned if the score is low to begin with. That is not unusual, and you can easily improve this quickly. This score is based on the combined individual scores for each content item in your course. Below the accessibility score, you'll find a color chart that corresponds with each content type in your course, and a list with the number of items for each content type. Content can include images, PDF documents, Word documents, and Canvas content in pages, announcements, quizzes, discussion topics, assignments. On the right side, you'll find two ways to approach fixing inaccessible content. The top right displays the option for content with the easiest issues to fix, showing 480 items. The lower right displays the option for fixing low-scoring content, showing 347 items. Many of the items in these two categories overlap, so when you fix an item in one category, you'll notice updates in both. This may seem like a lot of items that have issues that need to be fixed, and this is because Ally checks all of your course files, including older files you may no longer be using. In another video, I'll demonstrate how to delete your old files to improve your score quickly. Let's start now by clicking on the Start button for Content with the Easiest Issues to Fix. The window that opens displays a list of content items starting with the lowest scoring items. These are most often images that are missing alt text or image descriptions. The red dials indicate low scores and have the percentage of the accessibility next to the dial. Click on the content item to fix issues. This is a JPEG image file of books. When I click the file, a new window opens. The left side displays my image, and the right side displays the accessibility score of 25% and the reason for the score. This image is missing a description. Below is a link to what this means, conveying that an image description makes it easier to connect the image to its context and allows students with visual impairments to perceive the image. Below that is a link to how to write a good description with instructions. I'll place the description in the Add Image Description field, 2 shelves of books with the world globe. Next, click Add. Notice the score for this file has improved and is now 100% accessible, and the indicator dial has turned from red to green. Green indicates a high score for accessibility. Click the Close button to return to your list of low-scoring content and continue to fix these individually. There's another way to add image descriptions directly in Canvas. If you notice a red indicator on an image in any Canvas page, such as this shelf of books again, you can just click the Edit button at the top of the page, then select the image, click on Image Options, and this opens a panel on the right where you can add your alt text or image description. This is a feature of Canvas. After adding your description, click the Done button at the bottom of the panel, and then click the Save button at the bottom of your page. You'll notice the indicator now is green. When you add new images to your Canvas course, always add your alt text or image description at the same time, so your image will be accessible at the start. In some cases, you may have more than one issue. In this example, I have a screenshot displaying how to use a pattern fill for charts in a Microsoft Word document. I can select All Issues at the upper right next to the indicator score of 11%. This tells me not only is my image missing a description, but it has color contrast issues as well. In cases such as this, I can't change the color contrast here with Ally. Instead, I'll have to edit the image with a photo editing program such as Preview on a Mac or Photos app on Windows. For now, just add descriptions to all of your images and work on contrast issues later. Another option is to fix low-scoring content, and you'll follow the same process. As I mentioned earlier, when you make fixes to items in one category, it often updates the other category as well. As you fix content, you'll gradually begin to notice the change in your overall course accessibility score. In another video, I'll demonstrate how to delete old files that you're no longer using in your Canvas course to quickly improve your accessibility score. And in an additional video, I'll demonstrate how to use Ally to fix Word documents, as well as strategies to consider for PDF documents.